Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick tool haul from Lowe's. Got some Dewalt chargers, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So this is going to be a pretty quick video. I will be doing unboxings and everything like that later. I will also be doing a informative video about the differences between Dewalt chargers. I actually have 4 or 5 of them. So I picked up 12 amp fast charger, which is the DCB1112, and I picked up the Dewalt 6 amp charger. So this charger is the DCB1106. So this one is actually right before this guy. This one will do 12 volt and 20 volt, and this guy will only do 20 volt. Quick video. I do have a bunch of other things that I picked up. I will show them in order of what was picked up where. I will also give you guys just a collective of everything that was picked up in one video. If you guys don't want to look at each video, I will provide a video with every single item I picked up. A lot of 12 volt DeWalt Extreme. Got a bunch of deals where they were $99 a kit. Got a free 5. The kit came with 2 2-amp hour batteries for each, other than one bare tool. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little tool haul, something that will catch your attention. Maybe it's something that you guys are interested in. Let me know if you guys are interested in me giving full details of the differences between these DeWalt chargers. I do have the regular fast chargers up here. I have some of the older variants of these black chargers. These black chargers come in 2 different variants where you actually have the charging port on the right side, and then some are on the left side. And that will be the differences between the ampage. Just quick video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links or link. And I have an Ulsa Tools link. It'll get you 10% off your order, Ulsa Tools, and it kicks me back 10% off my next order, so it does save me money to bring tools to the channel for you guys. Quick information, this 12 amp charger, it actually says 12 amp right there, will do a 9 amp hour in 45 minutes, and we can do a test video on that. This 6 amp charger will do a 5 amp hour in 45 minutes. So not too bad. I do appreciate you guys watching. I will pin a comment for these guys, for like Acme Tools or Ohio Power Tools, one of those links. You can buy these at Lowe's. They do carry them all the time at Lowe's. Lowe's carries more chargers than Home Depot for some reason. But quick video. Do appreciate your guys' time. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!